ये the photographs are really good. Right. Now let's talk about the other things. Alright, let's keep that aside. Now the logo says the speed you need. It means the speed actually matters a lot in this. So technically it's unlimited storage. You can see the drives. So yeah. The pictures taken. Whether it's day one or inside the room, usually we find the light problems, but yeah, it's fine in this. Now let's talk about the box. It's the box. The best part is the cover. They have started doing it from 5T, which is fine. Now you can see the quality of the cover, which is very fine. I found it a lot better than even the covers those are available in the market. Those are really good. It has protection on the corners, perfectly aligned the holes. So it's actually the complete protection. You don't need anything after this. The charger is exactly same like the 5 and 5T. The same cable, the same point, the same SIM pin, which is, which people use. So on the whole, it's a really good pack for 40,000 bucks. It's really nice. My verdict on this is you can't get better under around 40. Let me show you the screen once again. You can see that. Brightness, the speed is really good. So yeah, my verdict on this is you can't get better than this. Stop buying iPhone, go for this. You will find everything, including the Android system, Android operation thingy into it. So that's really good. Thank you.